What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about 3 different products from the same brand. Cubot A10 smartphone, Cubot TAB60 tablet and Cubot C28 smartwatch. Actually, if you're looking for a set of value for money gadgets for your daily life, then I think these 3 are surely the best. Well, I've left the links of these products in the description box. After watching through this video, you may go ahead and check the products. But before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Cubot A10 features a minimalist design with a slim frame and a lightweight build, making it easy to handle. Its sleek appearance complements its durability, offering a solid feel without being bulky. It's a smartphone that balances form and function. Cubot A10's 6.56-inch HD Plus display offers a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, delivering a vibrant and colorful visual experience. The 90Hz refresh rate ensures smoother scrolling and fluidity in animations. Colors on this screen are rich and well balanced, making it suitable for viewing multimedia content and providing clear and crisp images. Cubot A10's 48-megapixel rear camera captures detailed and vibrant photos, particularly excelling in well-lit conditions. The camera handles colors and contrast effectively, making it suitable for various photography needs. Additionally, the 16-megapixel front camera provides sharp and clear selfies, complementing the overall camera performance, but with a focus on delivering reliable results for quick snapshots. Cubot A10, equipped with an octa-core processor and 4GB of RAM, manages casual gaming efficiently. The 90Hz refresh rate ensures smoother gameplay, enhancing the overall experience. Popular mobile games run without significant lag, providing a satisfactory performance for most users. The device's 128GB storage capacity allows for ample space to store games, applications, and media, supporting a seamless and uninterrupted gaming session. The 5100 mAh battery in the Cubot A10 offers extended usage, supporting up to 7 hours of video playback or 24 hours of talk time. Fast charging via USB Type-C port ensures minimal downtime between uses. When it comes to operating system, Cubot A10 comes with the latest Android 14 and provides a very smooth user experience. Overall, considering the price of Cubot A10, it's definitely the king of value price segment. Well, if you haven't noticed yet, then let me mention it again. I'm gonna give away all of these 3 products to 3 of my lucky subscribers. What I have to do is to make a sensible and related comment. Based on my affinity towards the comments, I will pick the lucky winners. Cubot TAB60 has a minimalist design with a matte finish that offers a smooth, comfortable feel in hand. Its lightweight build and slim profile make it easy to carry around, providing a practical appearance. Additionally, the device supports storage expansion with a microSD card, allowing for up to 1 TB of additional storage space, making it ideal for those needing extra room for applications, media, and files. Cubot TAB60 features a 10.1-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. The display provides vibrant colors and clear visuals, making it suitable for browsing, streaming, and casual gaming. The screen size offers ample viewing space, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable visual experience for various activities. Cubot TAB60's octa-core processor punches well above its price tag, juggling multiple applications like a pro. Switching between streaming, browsing, and light gaming feels surprisingly smooth for a budget tablet. It's not a high-end performer, but for what it costs, it delivers way more than expected. The entertainment performance impresses with clear visuals and sound, perfect for enjoyable casual viewing. Oh yeah, if you're thinking about playing games on Cubot TAB60, you'll be able to play most of the games without any issue. Me and my girlfriend Thea, we both have tried to play games and we both are truly super satisfied. Cubot TAB60 is equipped with a 6000 mAh battery, providing ample power for extended use. It supports up to 8 hours of continuous video playback, making it reliable for a full day of entertainment or productivity. USB Type-C fast charging makes recharging quick and hassle-free, minimizing downtime. Cubot C28 features a 2.02-inch TFT display with a resolution of 320 by 390 pixels. This screen offers clear and sharp visuals, making it easy to read notifications and check stats. The display is bright enough for outdoor visibility, ensuring that important information is always just a quick glance away. Cubot C28 smartwatch is designed with durability in mind, featuring a sturdy build that can withstand daily wear and tear. The sleek design combined with its rugged construction makes it suitable for both casual and active use. Its comfortable strap and lightweight feel ensure that it can be worn all day without discomfort. Cubot C28 offers comprehensive health monitoring features, including 24/7 heart rate tracking, blood oxygen level measurement, and sleep analysis. The built-in sensors work continuously to provide accurate data throughout the day. Additionally, the smartwatch includes reminders to stay active and breathe, promoting a healthier lifestyle. The detailed stats on daily activity levels help in keeping track of fitness goals, making it a valuable tool for maintaining overall well-being and staying informed about health. Cubot rugged smartwatch is equipped with a 410 mAh battery, offering up to 7 days of use on a single charge. This impressive battery life ensures consistent performance without frequent recharging. Considering its affordability, the long-lasting battery adds excellent value, making it a practical and cost-effective choice for everyday wear. Okay, that's all about Cubot A10 smartphone, Cubot TAB60 tablet, and Cubot C28 smartwatch. I would like to know your thoughts and ideas about these products. Please don't forget to comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and ideas. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me. I love to reply your comments. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.